Hello everyone, my name is Alal, aka Designer. I am a graphic designer. Today, I will teach you how I designed the Oud Arabic calligraphy logo. First, create a new file with these dimensions, which is 4000 pixels in height, 4000 pixels in width. Then go to the menu, and choose the option View and make sure that the option Show Grid and also Snap to Grid is active. Then the next step is to make sure that the distance between each line of the grid is 100 pixels. And that is by going to the Preferences and entering into the Guides and Grid. You will see a place with a grid line every 50 pixels, we will need to change that to 100 pixels. After we make sure that all these steps are correct, we are now ready to start. First of all, thanks for watching this video up to this point. If you want to say thank you, just don't miss to follow my Instagram account, I am publishing every day a concept I designed. Let's start it. First, we have to choose from the menu tools, the line tool. Then we create the line on one of the grid lines. To create a straight line, we have to hold Shift and Alt and then draw the line on the grid line, any place in the middle of our artboard, from up to the down as I do. Then hold Alt to start to make 7 more lines. So, it will be 8 lines in the total number, and that's enough. Don't worry, the lines will stick directly to the grid line. After that, group them all, and make sure that they are in the middle, by using Align to the Center tool, then go back to View option in the top menu again. And deactivate the two options Show Grid and Snap to Grid. Excellent, now we have what we need to continue. The next step is, press Ctrl or Command C and Ctrl or Command F to copy the 8 lines, in front of the first 8 lines. Then we have to hold Shift and start to rotate the copied lines, from top right to the bottom, until we get this shape. Well, now we have to repeat the same process, by pressing Ctrl or Command C and Ctrl or Command F to rotate the other 8 lines, pull from the top right again to the down, but this time we take 2 steps. If we apply the right steps from the beginning, we will get this shape. Okay, well done. Now we go straight to my favorite part. We choose the Shape Builder, from the menu tools. Now just focus with me, on what we have to do here. Which is selecting the parts, that we want from it to become one shape. Just follow what I will do. Note that during the process, you will need to check sometimes, the forgotten or remaining parts. That's to ensure that the final shape is correct. Well, now it remains only the final part, which is deleting the unwanted parts. And by using the same tool, but this time we hold the Alt button while we use the tool. This way, the tool will delete instead of building. Then we delete the unwanted parts carefully, sometimes you may get wrong. Don't worry, just use Ctrl or Command Z for return and correction the mistakes, and then just continued until the end. Excellent, well done to reach this level. Now we have the shape that we'll be working on. Now we are in the final steps, which is coloring the shape, and writing the word Oud. First, I chose a font and the size and I type Oud word, and then I center it and I add TM mark in right place. Then I go to the gradient and I chose the colors and I edit the colors level. Congratulations, you have finished your design. If you want to say thank you, just don't miss to follow my Instagram account, I am publishing every day a concept I designed. And I will be happy if you subscribe to my new YouTube channel. All you have to do is type the Brandowie channel name into the channel search, and also visit my Behance account for full projects. Salam alaikum, thank you for watching.